Question number 9. 54k squared minus 6 all divided by 3k plus 1.
Anytime you are confronted with a question like this, the first thing that comes to mind is that we are expected to factorize each of these numerator and denominator where factorization is applicable. So obviously from this question, 54k squared minus 6 is easily factorizable. We can see from the two terms, this and this, we can see that 6 is common to them. So we first and foremost factor out that 6. So we have 6 into, by the time we write this, we have 9k squared minus 1 all over 3k plus 1. Now obviously, looking into the content of this bracket, you will obviously observe that the two terms here, they are each perfect squares. That is to say, we may write each of them as something squared, another thing squared, where those two things, they are rational statements. So we have here 6 into 3k squared minus 1 squared over 3k plus 1. Obviously, the denominator here is not further factorizable. So it's going to be like that throughout until we get rid of it somehow. Now, every state of difference of two squares, that is, anytime we have something like a squared minus b squared, what should come to mind in order to factorize this is to write a plus b into a minus b. So every mathematics student must know and acknowledge this fact. Anytime you see two values that are squared, each of them squared, and there is subtraction in between them, what should come to mind is that the statement is factorizable, and this, of course, is the factorization. So that is applicable here, so that this will be like our a that is squared, and this is like our b that is squared. So we are going to have, therefore, our next statement that we read as 6 into 3k, that's our a plus b into a minus b, bracket closed, and this is over 3k plus 1. Now obviously we can see that this statement and this statement, they are similar, and therefore they cancel out, leaving us with 6 into 3k minus 1, which is our final answer. However, we may as well write this as 18k minus 6 if we so choose to open the bracket. So any of these could be our final solution.